first grade. How about that lesson yesterday? Wasn't that the tastiest writing lesson ever? Well, for me it was. I hope you are having a great day. Today in writing, we will model how to make cereal using sequential order. And we're going to do that today by writing complete sentences for the steps of how to make a bowl of cereal. This is important so that we can become better writers. Okay, remember that a procedure or a procedural text tells us how to do something step by step. Parts of a procedural text. What are you going to need? Cereal, your ingredients. What do? Your directions, your commands. Examples of procedural text. There are cookbooks that tell you how to cook, manuals that tell you how to put things together, or videos that tell you how to do something. Maps with directions tell you how to get from one place to another. And science experiments tell you how to do the science experiment step by step. Today in your journal, you're going to write 4 complete sentences telling how to make cereal. Yesterday, you made a video and you showed me how to make cereal. Today, you're going to write it down. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do, remember, is to gather your ingredients. Second is to pour your favorite cereal. Next is pour the milk. And last, enjoy your bowl of cereal. So now you may take out your journal and you are going to write how to make a bowl of cereal. Your title goes at the top of the page. Your first step starts with the word first. Gather your ingredients. All you have to do is copy the first sentence. First, gather your ingredients. Then you're going to write second. What do you do second? You pour the cereal in the bowl, remember? If you don't remember, guess what? You can go back to this slide and look and see what it says to do second. Pour your favorite cereal. Oop, too far. Next, what do you do next after you pour the cereal in the bowl? That's right, you pour the milk. If you don't remember, where can you go? Back here. And last, what do you do last? Enjoy your cereal. And if you are not sure what happens last, you can flip back to this page and look at the picture in the sentence. Enjoy your bowl of cereal. When you are finished writing your first, second, next, and last step on how to make a bowl of cereal, you are going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. But guess what I want you to do before you do that? I need you to make sure your date and name are on your paper. I need you to make sure you have written on the lines, not down a mountain slope. Okay? Then write in your best handwriting. Check and make sure it's neat and readable. Make sure you used finger spaces between your words. Make sure you have capitals at the beginning of each sentence. And then I'm going to need you to make sure you have a period at the end of each sentence. Now let's review what we talked about today. First of all, we talked about procedural text, different types of procedural text, cookbooks, how-to manuals, game instructions, science experiments, maps. They all tell us how to do something step by step. Then we wrote in our journal what we do first, second, next, and last when we are making a bowl of cereal. You need to write the sentences in order step by step in your journal. And then you also need to make sure you have all of these things on your sentences. Capitals, punctuation, finger spaces, Need handwriting, writing on the lines, and your date and name. Have a great day, first grade. Bye.